Hi guys, this is Red Rum Queen and you're watching the Horror Family channel, and I'm going to Prometheus Esoterica to check out their open house holidays. So we're going to go inside, so let's check it out. I like that they say wear a mask. It's wonderful. And makes me feel really safe. So I'm going inside right now. And here are their operational hours. They do subject to change, but here is the standard hours. Check it out. So we're getting ready to meet with the original guide to Spooky Empire. They're heading over here soon, so we can all hang out. Look at all the Krampus things in Bahamut. Or Baphomet, sorry. Baphomet and Krampus things.
Oh, that's cool. My dad worked with a dude named Woody.
So a lot of witchy items that you can see here.
Is that a good replacement for Mickey?
So it's really, really cool.
Look at these. They're crutches.
And then we got some soaps.
Those are cool. I've never seen anything like that.
That's so cool.
We got some clothes over here. A lot of Baphomet stuff. I always don't know if I'm saying it correctly, so forgive me in advance. But it's always nice and spooky in here. And you see all the wonderful Christmas stuff. Very festive and spooky at the same time, which is great. And check out all their awesome ornaments they got. And the gift wrap. So you got some Krampus. It's really cool in here. Another Baphomet statue. We got some clowns. Some dummies. And some more skeletons. And some more books. We got some books here. A lot of sage and crystals. And some very nice wreaths. This one's really cute. It's sold. And we got that small one up there. They're really cute. I really like those wreaths. Again, I'm trying to talk louder, especially with a mask on. It makes it a little harder, but it's quiet in here, so that helps. We got some cookie cutters. Those are pretty cute right there. We got some more ornaments. Little Krampus pins. Different kinds. Little Krampus bottle opener. Little Krampus plushie. And some little we got slippers. And wrapping paper. Cute little hair bows. Oh, these are really cute. We got Ghostbusters. We got the Haunted Mansion. And these are $15. And look at these necklaces over here. These are really cute. And some bracelets. We got some lovely prints here. I have some of this artwork at home. I have a Haunted Mansion print like this. Oh, and look at that little Christmas Bahamut. That's really cute. Actually, Krampus, not Bahamut. Now I'm confusing them all. Check out these candles. Frankenfurter. I'm really liking this Krampus decoration they got here. We got Shorty here. And some more prints. And this little diabolical doll for $100.
You're
Little haunted mansion.
away from 436 or 4?
You've been here before, right?
Yeah.
And I got stuck here. So I'm gonna go around checking out the Krampus cards.
Make a raffle. For every $10 you spend, you get a full raffle ticket for either the human leg up there.
We got some cute little. Oh, these are cute too. I'm really loving these little beanies they got here with Krampus. See, Krampus, very Christmas themed Krampus one. But I like this one.
We like to do one every time we do a seasonal open house.
So here we got some pins.
Thank you.
And we got some stickers with Baphomet. We got rings here. We got a Baphomet air freshener.
Hazelnut cream, spectral churro, and a dark non-flavored.
Ooh, and look at these. Got some syringes here and some medical stuff in these cases. Very, very cute. Some old school medical stuff. And then we got some medical stuff over here. And some skulls, animal skulls. A lot of specimens in jars.
You want a full cup? Okay.
Heading back towards here so you can see all this.
Jenny.
Here. We got some more clowns over here. You see that clown bank right there? I used to have one as a child.
Okay.
But look at all this vintage old toys and other knickknacks. We got some more medical
Same ratio.
stuff. We got this skull. We got this ostrich here. We got some wax figures.
Oh yeah, I can just wait until
Some
you're ready.
animal
Just remind me
heads.
to have a coffee.
It's a lot of medical things.
Toss up in a little weird to just make
You
sure.
can see all the medical stuff they got. Check out all these tools.
No?
And again, we got Coffee Shop of Horrors. They are wonderful. The coffees are great.
You gonna have your moment outside?
You should drink coffees or teas or any type of caffeinated beverages. And I believe they have decaf too. And check out this display up here. That's amazing. So we can get another angle of them. Wow, check that out.
Alright.
We got some clothes. This is really cute. So this is like a little jacket as part of the whole set here. This is really cute. I love this plaid jacket here. And all these little like half shawl type sweater things. And this corset dress which we saw earlier. But it's just really, really cool. And here are some more. We got this coffin first, purple with wings from Phil Star. And we got some more shirts down there with all the Christmas lights. And here is some more items. I have bought from Picky Witch before, so it's really cool. And we have that, what appears to be a nightlight. So it's really, really cool. So you should definitely come and check this place out. And when our friends here from the original Guide to Spooky Empire come, I'll do some more filming in just a Black Santa hat. And I'm going to go ahead and see what I can see that I want to pick up. So we're in the bathroom of Prometheus Esoterica, and there's this lovely lady here that I think if I went to go to the bathroom and she was staring at me in the middle of the night at 3 in the morning, I'd be frightened to death. And she is 155. And I probably wouldn't put her in my bathroom. Because she's scary. And I wake up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, so yeah. So we got some more. Pictures here. I think he's 300. So this is just a bathroom here at Prometheus Esoterica. We just sell different things as well. Got some animal skulls and some bones. So it's super cool. And you can see he's got pretty crowded here from when we were filming earlier.
Is a energy
But
part
I'm going to
phases away,
show you up
whereas
here.
microwaves are
I'm going to stop the camera to go back with original guys. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
I am upright and very distracted.
That's good. That's important.
Yes, Prometheus Esoterica Winter Open House. Oh my God.
That's great.
It's like my eyes are just like all over the place because, it just,
Is that a puppy? He's cute.
is that a puppy? Well, he wants to know if that's a puppy. Why don't we take a closer look?
It's a beaver.
It's a beaver. It's a beaver. Yeah, and he has to pay with a puppy, so, appropriate.
For the record, this is the one not real thing here. This was actually just an artistic recreation, but it's so badass, you gotta love it.
Yes.
Oh, geez, the Empire.
Yes, oh my God. And just like some of the vendors that'll be Spooky Empire, they've got some great stuff here.
They do.
And I'm sorry, I get distracted so easily.
It's fine.
Turtle! It's just, if you want the perfect pet, right here. I love him. You can dress him up for the holidays.
Last time I was here, it was over on the shelf.
Oh,
He moves around too. Wow.
Look at that.
we got a young expert on Prometheus here.
We do.
And there's Kimba up there.
There's Simone.
Uh-huh. They're very festive. Oh, yes, and then of course, what holiday is complete without a creepy clown?
We got a couple creepy clowns.
There's a few, yeah.
Oh no, he really likes these.
I'm telling, yeah. It's like if I wanted a nice seat. Oh, wait a minute. Oh my God, that's adorable.
Yeah, that's pretty funny.
That's hilarious. I love it.
So here we are at Prometheus Esoterica. The original guy from Spooky Empire. Standing over there, checking out stuff. You can see it's really Christmas over here at Prometheus Esoterica. And we got some references to the Christmas Carol with Bob Cratchit's hat and Tiny Tim's canes. And then we have references to Krampus here. You can see him in the chimney, and then you have that lit up fireplace, which I'm going to ask where they got that because we do want to have one for our house. So just wanted to kind of show you that part. It's quiet down since we saw all the people. So I'm just doing another walkthrough of what they got. We have these coffins here that are like for shelves, I guess for little knickknacks and things like that. We got the mirror coffin there. And we got some more goat satanic references here. So you can see all the wonderful things here at Prometheus Esoterica. Got some more coffin shelves here. I want to make sure I covered everything. Got some shirts down here.
Yeah, actually, it's going to.
And they're so nice, and they let me leave a card here with them. So I'm really excited to get some stuff for Slasher Killer 13 as well as myself. So yeah, here we are. This is Esoterica. You come check it out during the holidays and pick up some unique gifts for your loved ones or yourself. Hi guys, this is Red Room Queen, and thanks for watching the Horror Family channel. And we will see you in the next video. And remember, the family that scares together stays together. Bye.